Are you ready to go in? Are you ready to go in? Are you ready to go inside? Are you ready? Let's go in.
His name is B.G. Stephen.
PG Miller.
B.G. Miller.
All right, let's go in. It's a business car, the Carrizo Gorge. During the year 1982. So the first equipment arrived here. Wow, look at these eyeballs. There's more eyeballs around here. Look at these eyeballs and ornaments. Spreckles, he completed this whole line. And this is John D. Spreckles. He completed this whole line about 126 years ago. Spreckles completed this line was completed 126 years ago. There he is, John D. Spreckles. That's amazing.
Continue to be in toward Los Angeles, and the operators in San Diego and Arizona Eastern found they could make much more money by hauling freight.
See those eyes.
In time, even that stopped. Still, John D. Spreckles would be pleased to know his railroad is even yet very much alive. Today, the San Diego and Imperial Valley Railroad runs on part of the line, which is owned by the Metropolitan Transit Development Board. They operate the trolley on the old stretch between San Diego and the border. And the San Diego Railroad Museum has trains out of Campo, sometimes going as far as Campo. Today, except for the San Diego trolley and the special excursion trains run by the San Diego Railroad Museum, there is no more regularly scheduled passenger service on the old lines of San Diego and Arizona Eastern. But don't count this railroad out. I'm just as sure as you're absolutely certain that they're going to tear up the ties and the rails and close this railroad out.
You guys sit together? I'm fine.
I'm on a tripper. I know.
Well, it's fine.
Country, I'm sure, and I hope you'll agree it was well worth including in our brief railroad history here about San Diego.
All these eyes. These eyeballs.
They have funny decorations.
There's a short video of the building of the SDNX.
Do you want to watch the beginning of it?
And there's the screen.
4.5
No,
minutes.
Not really. I'll just.
It's kind of cute. It talks about the starting of
Here's the famous John D.
Just
Spreckles.
watch the beginning of it.
Okay.
Oh, my school. I'm actually going to bring my dad here, and
Here's the famous John D. Spreckles at one of the most dramatic.
Hey!
This looks like one of the berths.
You could sleep in here, huh? Oh my goodness, you can sleep in here too.
And you can eat, and also you can read the paper.
No, sleep in here.
There's a sink. There's
Oh, I
the
hate
toilet.
that monkey.
Wah, wah.
That monkey's so scary.
Oh wow. Wow, look at all these decorations, spiders and all that stuff. Look at all that. Makes sense.
Look how pretty the glass looks up there, Stefan. Look, the
Toilet,
old
there's a
glass.
sink.
The old glass that they put.
Oh, look at the glass.
And then the windows here, that's such, and here.
There's
so neat.
there's desk. There's a rotary phone right there. Another bed. Wow, look at all these creatures. And there's a chair right there. Go through each of the compartments. Oh, look, we got this. There's like this whole thing. Look at this book of spells. And there's all these books. It's like a desk. There's windows for you to look at the view. Look at that. And there's a hallway here. And also, nothing much here. And then here we got.
Ah, the skeleton scared me.
Wow, they even
There's
have
a toilet in
wow,
there.
they even have a kitchen here.
And a toilet.
And there's chairs and there's a berth with toilet. Wah, wah. Wah, wah. And
Stefan, we got not snakes on a plane, but we got snakes on a train.
oh wow, look at this. We got. Oh, look at this. Oh, they got a kitchen right here. There's the cook's quarters. There's the cook right there. And we've got a way to get to the caboose. And we've got a lot of snakes. Yeah, we got snakes on a train. Look at all these. So many snakes. Yep, there's snakes. And we've got some seats right there. We got a bed here, and it's got a skeleton. There's even a butterfly. There's also the oh wow, Union Pacific Railroad calendar. That woman. There's this desk here with a lamp and like a place to cook. There's the furnace. There's the lantern and some seats. And also up here, this is the crow's nest. Yep, there's the crow's nest where the conductor does miss the train's operation, but you know, these trains don't have cabooses. Got your handbrake, and you got your decorations right here. And then of course, what you gotta do is you gotta carefully walk when you come down these steps, and because the conductor gets shaken when the conductor and the caboose is the last car to move. And of course you got the caboose. Yep. Yeah, there's the caboose and there's the observation car. It's a business car basically. Wow, very cool. And we got this. We've also got this. And we've also got this working semaphore here. Oh, the signal, it's yellow. Oh, it's gonna switch to red. It's gonna switch to red. Wow, look at all these signals. You know, semaphores, colored light signals, it's just terrific. And yes, it really is terrific. And you switch right here. There's a car in the wig wag. Oh, it's just turning to red. Oh, there's the semaphore. And it just turned red. Yep, there's a semaphore signal. And
Did you want to go out, not get a pumpkin, but go out and look at the train?